This is Julie Bancroft, and I invite you to call or text me anytime at 541-680-1484. I look forward to working with you. Beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home on an oversized 0.79 acre lot. Park-like fenced backyard has mature oak trees and concrete patio. Inviting open concept floor plan and cozy gas fireplace. Completely remodeled from studs out, including high-end vinyl windows, lap siding, floors, bathrooms, insulation, plumbing and electrical. Stunning remodeled kitchen with leathered granite counters and 5-burner gas range. Thoughtful built-ins lend themselves to an organized functional home. Must see.